hello things. Yeah, that's my intro now. Yeah, okay. So apparently this game is quite popular. Yeah, it's so fucking popular. I don't know why. So apparently it's good. Look at this horse. Look at this frame right with this horse, bro. Yeah, so apparently this is good. Okay. Zombie game, I think. I don't know. So there's stuff you have to do, like horse. Get along with the horse. Okay. Okay. I have no idea what to do. And I have absolutely no idea. Drag gold bar to the table and sell it. Okay. Where's gold bar, bro? Shovel. That's on the gold bar, bro. Oh, probably right there, huh? But a huge yellow arrow thing is pointing. Ooh. I have gold bar. Dragging it. Where do I drag it? Drag it right here? Oh my god, money! These guys are so stupid. Why would you lay a gold bar directly in front of the thing that gives you money? Yeah, you guys suck. That's about to be easy, bro. What is this? Coal? Bro, that's not a coal. What is this? Yeah. Give me the drag, drop. Okay. Give. Don't let the coal fall. Don't let the coal fall. Stop letting the coal fall. Boop. Where did I put it? In the oven? Oh my god, fuel. Yes. What did I do? Where's the narrator guy? Hello, help. What did I do? Help me. Do I buy more coal? Do we love coal here? Coal. Drag, drop, coal. Boom. Still not enough. How much does this thing need? Oh my god, dude. So much coal. Don't have that much. I can't afford anymore. This is enough, narrator guy. It's enough. I don't want to spend any more money on coal. Help me. Guess I'm going. Bye, losers. Okay. Level 1. Okay, I don't want to actually go away. Okay, but why don't I actually go away? Okay, I have a feeling I've not completed the tutorial, but who cares about that, huh? Okay, the city is pretty far away. Why is it so far away, bro? Woo! Big mountain. What the fuck is that? I see a horse. Yo, stop. What's that? Bro, I see a horse! Horse! Yo! I see a horse. What's the horse doing? Yo, horse, bro. What are you doing? What's it? No, horse! No! Don't run away from me! Horse, no! Just come, it's not the house. Okay, but I wanna get back to my train. Okay, no zombies behind me. Surprise attack! No. Okay, that's actually no zombies behind me. Will this cactus hurt me? Not won't. Yeah, you guys suck. This train fast as fuck. The city is already back there. Okay, where What do I do? What do I do? What is that? Why the fuck is the building on fire, man? Okay, I wanna stop. Stop the train. Why is the building on fire? This is pretty weird. Okay, why is the building on fire? Why is it night? I don't like that. Junk. Fuel. Fuel. Bro, I need fuel. What is that sound? You can't hear it. Why is that wolf yelling? I hear that wolf yelling. Help me! Help me! Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Let me get up. Hell no! Hell no! Hell no! Hell no! Hell no! Okay, I feel safe on my train. I only see horses. Not seeing many zombies yet, huh? Not a zombie game, huh? I'm not getting off. What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh, bro, what is that, bro? Why is that crazy music? Ah! I hear scary music. What is that? What is that red eye thing? Do I have fuel? Bro, why is every house burning? Like, bro, these guys kinda suck at keeping their houses normal. Like, what the hell? What's that? Yeah. You know what? I'm stopping this shit. Come here, bro. 1v1 me. 1v1 me, bro. Come here. Oh, no. That's a town over. Let me down. Oh!